Alright, this is probably going to be the craziest and also underwhelming unboxing. Crazy because it's a lot. Underwhelming because I'm going to open all these boxes, but I'm not going to really open all the items individually at this time. But that would come later, of course. I was going to start with the small boxes first. So, we're going to insert the knife, as so. Actually, we're going to prop myself down as such. I got these boxes way before I got these. It was very tempting to freaking open it, but I wanted to wait for this video. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's gonna be kind of underwhelming, but it's gonna be cool nonetheless, to some extent. I'm freaking excited. Here we go. There it is. I'm just gonna do this. Ready? Bam. That's why I'm not gonna really unbox it, because it's got this plastic. This is do not open. I like it in person. Whoa. Just look at me. XXXTentacion. Nothing on the sides, but on the back it's got the smiley face. Technically, it's supposed to be do not open and then the smiley face on this side, but yeah. Unfortunately, there is a tiny little tear right there, it looks like. Actually, that doesn't even look like it. Yeah, tiny little tear. But still dead stock, nonetheless. And that's how it's going to be for a little bit. Next, we're going to do this one. The other small box, which is basically the same thing, but an XL version. Be a little bit of a longer video, I'm already can tell, but it's gonna be a good one, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, box was a little bit harder to get open than this one, but we get her done, you know what I'm saying? Put the knife in you guys, and bang. But this one's got like different pattern of plastic, so that's worth noting. Much more tear. You can see it's been a little bit tampered with a little more. Like, there's tiny little dots all the way across. Pretty interesting, though. I love it. I love this little box thing. Very cool. Worth noting, on the double XL, the right corner right here is piercing through. I'm gonna do this. Put it back in the box because I want to make sure I know which one's which. Next, after we got those, I want to do the t-shirts. Okay, this one's gonna be a lot of t-shirts, so yeah, that's good. All right, 2 slits right here, and I think it just opens up like a box, literally. Oh, there we go. There's one. There's 2, and behold. Okay. So this is what it looks like right off the bat. Already I can tell this is gonna be awesome. Look at that XL. I'm gonna remove this. What is this? Oh, it's for the poster. That's how they fit it in here. I'm gonna roll. No. I'm just gonna take them out. Let me show you guys. So first one looks like this. Put the print down there. XL. Do this. Got one there. Another one. Another XL. Another one. Another XL. Very cool. Here's my nephew's. Different plastic. Interesting. Large. Interesting. Different plastic. It's got this instead. It's pretty cool. Worth noting, I guess. And then, last but not least, one more and it's the XXL version. Yeah, that is amazing. And this is what it is on the back. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 t-shirts. Sounds about right. And 1 poster. Alright, now that I got it all out, we can get rid of the box. Don't worry about that box. You can already see it. The resolution kind of looks whack already. Okay, let's hope for the best, people. Yeah, this is a disappointment. It is super low res. Super low resolution. Look at that. That thing is terrible. Ugh. Yeah, someone could definitely do better on their own. I would not recommend buying this. This thing, I mean, from afar, I guess maybe from afar. Okay, but to be honest, I'm not really like too wild about it, but it's there, and we got it. Okay, all the t-shirts, we're gonna put them over here. Boom. Now for all the hoodies, this is where it's gonna be like. I was looking forward to this part. Well, that was bad stuff, but I was really looking forward to this part. I just don't want to poke a hoodie right now. There we go. And they are. Oh, this one's already ripped open. Pretty lame. Yep, that's probably why it's a XXL. And it's already ripped open. Basically can get pulled through the bag at any moment. We'll get a different bag one, because I've seen some clear ones. But yeah, this is huge though. XXL. Knife. Yeah, a lot of these are open. Oh my gosh, they're like all open. There's an XL. Again, pretty much completely open by the time we got here. Okay. So I got XL, XXL. Yeah, they're all open. They're freaking heavy though. XL. This one's super ripped open, basically. I like the print though. It's a good screen print. I'm liking that so far. There's another one, 3. Oh, here's a XXL. This one's in better condition, I guess, on rips. Almost ripped open, but not completely. Still together. Very heavy, I'm noticing now. Like, compared to a bunch of other hoodies, super duper heavy. And this should be Liam's. Oh, yeah, this is perfect. I thought they gave me a XXL. But nope, XL. I think they got it perfect. My order's perfect. Oh, I wanted to see the line in between. Yeah. Yeah, so that kind of isn't the best looking. I don't know how I feel about that particularly, but after removing everything, let's get it all together. Stay tuned. No, we'll just do it together. Do it together forever. Boom, boom. We'll put this in the middle. Bam. 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 5 right there. We'll do like this one down here. Reach into the plastic of a different bag and almost pulled it off completely. So in there, there's this one. It's pretty much already open. Do this. 10-minute video. I can get monetized now. Oh, no joke. No joke. Jokes. I'm gonna open up this box. Do not open box. Or put it out, rather. And for the final showcase reveal, boom. With poster. Wow. That's a lot. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Bye.